crocheters, my name is Erin. I'm a crochet pattern designer who goes by Juniper and Oaks. Something you should know about me is I love to learn interesting crochet stitches and then teach them all to my crochet community. I tend to do that in the form of a crochet along, and now I am partnering with my friend Joanna of High Desert Yarn to bring you this rainbow blanket crochet along. This is a stitch sampler blanket where we're going to teach you 12 different crochet stitches. We've worked ours up in the different colors of the rainbow so they stand out a bit more. I hope you join this crochet along so you can learn these 12 interesting crochet stitches with us. Some of them have really beautiful textures. Some of them are just really nice that you can just do while watching a TV show. We've got post stitches, we've got puff stitches. There are some lacy kind of stitches. There's kind of something in here for everybody. So I hope that you join along, learn something new. You can find out more information about this crochet along at juniperandoaks.com. The blanket calls for DK weight yarn in 7 different colors, as well as a size H 5mm hook. I've had so much fun with Joanna putting this blanket together, and I hope you love it as much as I do. Happy crocheting!